A tiny crater is created in the center of the plate, and from the karahi of dal, ghee is poured in. This is how the famous dal of Miyaji restaurant of LalaMusa is traditionally served. Hello, Namaste, Salam, Akal. I'm Piyali Mutha, and today we will virtually go to LalaMusa in Pakistan to cook their famous dal in the series From the Kitchens of the Subcontinent. This dal is a perfect example of how a single dish has put LalaMusa on the culinary map of the world. Though I would love to personally savor the LalaMusa Dal someday, people who have eaten the dal at the Miyaji restaurant have told me this one is very close. 3 lentils are used. They are soaked overnight and then pressure cooked after adding turmeric powder and salt. Remove the scum from the surface before pressure cooking the dal. To hot oil in a karahi, add onions and fry till golden. Next, add garlic and fry till fragrant. Add the cooked dal to the karahi and mash it lightly. Mix with the aromatics. Now dry roast cumin seeds and black peppercorn. Using oil, grind them to a paste. Add this to the dal and mix. Season with salt. Add green chilies and coriander leaves. Add garam masala powder. In a pan, heat ghee. Temper the dal with the ghee and serve. Please share and save this recipe as the flavors of this dal is truly incredible.